Oh, that's a good fish. Oh my God, this thing is fighting. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! That's a giant. Awesome. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we're back out going fishing for some trout. We got a beautiful, beautiful day here. Some great weather. We got some cloud cover coming in. But here, we're going to be giving away a free Yeti. All you got to do to win this Yeti is be subscribed to the channel and comment on this video. The winner is going to be chosen from this comment section, but you must be subscribed to win. This is going to go from August 18th till September 16th. So anytime from now between then, if you subscribe and comment on this video, you could win this free Yeti. All right, let's go catch some fish. There we go. First fish of the day right there. Nice rainbow. Wow, look at the colors on this fish. This is a gorgeous looking fish. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. That was a good looking fish. Just been working this run for a little bit here, and I made a cast up into that shallower fast stuff. As soon as it kind of went down into the water, he was on it. So I'm just gonna keep working this. There's got to be some more fish in here. A lot of water. Water came up quite a bit. It is ice cold. So should get some more fish out of this spot. That one was sitting on that other seam over there. I knew there had to be one sitting in that softer water. See if we can get him out of that current. Ooh. That's another really good looking fish. Oh, I got him. Just another really good looking rainbow. Send this guy back home. Whew. I knew there was one sitting over there. I kept working that far seam, and finally that one picked it up. Oh, perfect drift. There we go. I literally was just saying that's a perfect drift. Another really good looking rainbow. Another real nice chunker little rainbow. Oh, there he goes. These fish are fired up this morning. Got a ton of energy. That's why I love fishing this higher water and picking it apart. These fish are just loving it. Oh, fish, fish, fish. Were you filming? Sweet. I was barely paying attention, just kind of walking down. Oh, there it goes. I was barely even paying attention, and then I just felt on my rod. There we go. I haven't seen this fish. This might be a better one. Feels pretty good. Feels like a good one. Sitting in that current though, so I'm not sure yet. Still haven't seen him. I see a little bit of flashing. He is digging. Nice brown. Nice. Nice brown. Put up a great fight. That was awesome. Beautiful looking fish too. Really, really beautiful fish. Look at the white on that fin and those orange dots. Put up a great fight. There he goes. That was sweet. As soon as I hooked that thing, I thought it was a better fish, and it dug down in the current. Yeah, I thought it was a really big fish, but that was an awesome fish either way. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, there he goes. Whew. I'm gonna have to get down below this thing with all this current. Oh, screaming. I'm not sure how big it is, but I know it's a good one. Come on. I still haven't seen it. Still haven't seen it. Woo-hoo! Ooh, almost just fell in the water. Come on, buddy. Let me just get a look at you. Maybe it's bigger than I even think it is. Or it's just putting up a really good fight with this current. Definitely a good one, though. Still haven't seen it. Feels really heavy. Feels really heavy. Just sitting on the bottom. Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Just gonna give it some side pressure. Just hold him. Oh my God, this thing is fighting. I can see some flashing down there. I see a bunch of big yellow flashes. Looks like a big brown. It's going upriver. Perfect though. We want to be behind it to land this thing. Oh yeah, it's a nice brown. I just saw it. Alright, big guy. Please don't get off. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Oh, yes! Awesome! That's what I am talking about right there. Look at the size of that thing. That's a giant. Oh my God, yes. That's amazing. That had me shaking. I thought he was gonna get off. After I saw him, I was like, oh my God. Please do not get off. Check that out. Alright guys, we're gonna get a release on this big guy. Oh, he's fired up. Look at that fish. Oh, there he goes. Awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome. All right, guys, we're at the last spot of the day, probably. Fishing's been amazing all day. I just love fishing this high water. It's been great. Sun's starting to get a little bit lower in the sky, so we're gonna get out here and start fishing and see what we can get into. There we go. Feels like a nice fish. Nice brownie. Nice looking brown. Really great looking fish. Nice brown. All right, I walked down a little bit from where I caught that brown. See if we can't pick one up here out of this little run. It's got some nice depth to it. So, yeah. Should be able to get some fish out of here. There we go. Came back up to this spot after I walked down, let it rest for a little while. This is my first drift in here. Nice brown. Nice little brown. All right, everybody, it's the next day. I'm just finishing up editing the video. I just wanted to go over this one more time, how to win the Yeti. All you have to do is be subscribed and comment on this video, because I'm going to pick the winner out of the comment section from this video, but you have to be subscribed to win it. It's going to last from, once you guys see this video, it's going to be posted today on the 18th, and it's going to go to September 16th, so it's about 30 days, I think. And then on the 16th, I'll be posting a video announcing the winner. And yeah, so that's how it's going to go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.